Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 12-inch subwoofers on Amazon. The best way to get a great bass sound is with a subwoofer, preferably a 12-inch subwoofer, which is ideal for most vehicles. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate Punch Single 12-inch 300 watt. Sometimes it's easier to buy a complete subwoofer package. However, many leave something to be desired with build or sound quality. The Rockford Fosgate has no such issues. The built-in amplifier provides 300 watts of RMS power and 1,300 watts of peak power to get the job done. Whether you're adding a subwoofer to an OEM factory stereo or an aftermarket setup, all you have to do is hook it up. It also comes with some nice extras like auto on-off and a variety of connection options. There's also a built-in bass equalizer allowing you to adjust the frequencies of the bass line to adapt to the music. The sealed enclosure is made of durable plastic and provides resonant deep bass with clear notes and a clean sound. What we like about it: easy hookup and installation. Excellent bass sound quality. Attractive sealed enclosure. What we don't like about it: bulky size. Number 2. Rockford Fosgate Punch P3. If you want great all-around sound quality and bass response. With 600 watts of RMS power and a peak power rating of 1,200 watts, it provides any music with full, low, resonant bass. Part of why the P3D4 provides great sound is Rockford Fosgate's vast technology or vertical attach surround technique. What we like about it: solid anodized aluminum cone for durability. Delivers crisp, clear bass sound. Adjustable mounting options. Made from high-quality components. What we don't like about it: low frequency range isn't as low as other models. 85 decibels sensitivity is lower than other models. Number 3. Scar Audio 2500 watt max power. If you want loud ground-shaking bass that can rattle brick, don't sleep on the Scar Audio EVL12. This subwoofer pushes out 1,250 watts of RMS power, more than a lot of subs' peak capacity. And with 2,500 watts of peak power, you can make some serious noise. Not to mention low rumbling noise. 25 Hz on the low end will replicate thunder. The only drawback is the harder you push the Scar EVL12, the muddier it sounds. That may be due to Scar's competition-grade paper cone and high-roll foam surround. But the good news is the efficient airflow cooling and high-temperature voice coils will handle abuse. Scar advertises the EVL12 as an ideal sub for competition and daily applications. No question it will hold up. Just keep the volume at or under RMS capacity and you'll be fine. What we like about it: deep, thundering bass sound. Durable build quality. Efficient cooling setup. What we don't like about it: muddy sound quality at high volumes. Number 4. Pyle 12 Car Audio Speaker Subwoofer. Pyle is an underrated name in the electronics industry and produces a wide range of inexpensive good quality car audio components. The PLPW12D is a great example of what I mean. The price is dirt cheap, yet it's capable of cranking out 800 watts of RMS power and more than 1,600 watts of peak power. It also has a good sensitive rating and can handle a wide range of sound. What we like about it: low price. High RMS power output. Rubber suspension and magnet boot. What we don't like about it: sound quality isn't as good as other models. Paper cones don't have the response or durability of other materials. Number 5. Kicker 12-inch subwoofer single voice coil 4-ohm. The rib polyurethane surround reduces vibrations, improving both sound quality and durability, and the comp voice coil provides distortion-free bass. It's also attractive with yellow stitching, providing a nice visual contrast, especially when visible in a monocolor case. Rated at 300 watts of RMS power and 1,200 watts of max power, the Kicker doesn't provide monster power, but it's enough for most applications. It gets plenty low with a 27 to 500 Hz frequency range. What we like about it: durable build quality with rib polyurethane surround. Great sound quality. Attractive design. Shallow mounting depth. What we don't like about it. Not as powerful as other subs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.